Hi there, today we're exploring Probiotiv Oral Probiotics, a powerful chewable supplement with 7 billion CFU. These probiotics work naturally to freshen your breath by reducing odor causing bacteria and supporting a healthy oral environment. They also help restore mouth moisture by stimulating saliva production, keeping your mouth feeling refreshed all day long. Probiotiv contains proven probiotic strains like B. lactis, L. Paracasei, and L. reuteri to support healthy gums and strengthen your mouth's immune defenses. Additionally, this dental probiotic helps prevent plaque buildup and promotes teeth health by maintaining a balanced oral microbiome. With added digestive enzymes, it supports gum repair and overall oral hygiene. Experience a natural way to maintain fresh breath, healthy gums, and strong teeth every day. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.